Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I'm still looking at this as a very bullish pattern. I still think it's going to end up continuing up, most likely making some sort of a five-way pattern to the upside, which I still believe will end up eventually going up and taking out these previous highs. I still think one of these higher three Fibonacci extension levels is going to be the most likely place for this to end. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, as you can see, we've been going down very strong, but I still think this right here is an uptrend, which is a 1. I still think this is a 2. I think we're already in a wave 3, and this is a subdivision 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and eventually we're going to go up and make a wave 3 of 3, and then make a wave 4 and wave 5. Basically, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, I still think that this needs to go down one more time to touch the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Then if we get a big bounce, which we do have CPI news coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, I think that CPI news could be what actually causes this to end the wave 2, and hopefully that's what causes it to continue the uptrend for a big giant wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like we have the end of a crescent right here. I could even make out impulsive up, probably wave A. I bet this is three waves down, wave B, and on the 1 hour you'll see it better, but we have a nice little five waves up for what I think is a wave C. I think we already have the end of a crescent, and I think we're heading back down towards that 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and then hopefully tomorrow's CPI will cause this to end a trend, which this trend should be a wave C, by making a big impulsive move up with a breaker structure. If we see that at tomorrow's news, then that is definitely going to turn us into buyers at the end of pullbacks, especially on these shorter time frames. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, now you can kind of break this down a little bit better. You can definitely see a nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape there. 1, 2, 3 waves down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right there. Did kind of turn right in between two fib levels, but boy, that is definitely very impulsive down with a breaker structure. I think there's a very good likelihood that it's going to go down to that 61.8% Fibonacci retracement that I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So I would definitely be looking for shorts. I would be a little cautious because we do have CPI coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, which may very likely cause this to end a trend on the 4 hour time frame and make a big move to the upside. So if you do go short, definitely go short with some caution. I probably wouldn't hold it throughout tomorrow's news because there probably is going to be another big push up at the news tomorrow. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.